My dearest Carl, I can still remember vividly how we started 12 years ago. From textmate to being in a relationship. I never thought a message on screen could change my life.
You are marrying because you enjoy each other's company and you want to be together. You are marrying because each of you can grow in humanity and in love more fully while touching the other. You are marrying because you can be more trusting of life as life mates. Keep this understanding fresh and alive in the days ahead.
Elizabeth, being at sea keeps me away, but you've always been my reason to come home. When I didn't know where I was going, you believed in me, not for who I was, but for who I could become.
Dapat unawaan at malaking pasensya at laging huwag makakalimot na laging mag-kiss sa bride pag mag-asawa na sila.
When I met you, I was full of uncertainty. But you proved that those uncertainties could turn into the love that brought me here today. Lagi mong sinasabi sa akin na kapag 40 years old na ako, saka mo ako papakasalan. Pero hindi ka nakatiis. Nagyaya ka na agad.
Nangyari dyan. Hindi ko na kilala. Akala ko kung sino. Pogi mo ah. Jake, may kakaba. Ang makakaba.
You are strong, kind and smart. Everything I need to handle distance and life together. As an architect, you know how to build strong foundations and see that not just in your work, but in the life we are building.
Amoy na kita, Bet. Malayo ka pa, amoy na kita. Wow! Ikaw ba yan? Ngayon ka pinakamaganda sa ano 12, after 12 years.
Loko ka.
Ready ka na ba?
Oo, wala nang ano. Wala nang no choice.
Hindi yun iiyak.
Ayaw ko.
Our love has never been perfect, and it never needed to be. We'd had our struggles, our moment of doubt, and times when things weren't easy. But through it all, our love has kept growing. Thank you for staying with me through my flaws, for believing in me, and for choosing me every day. I promise to choose you the same always.
Ang pag-aasawa ay isang munting biyaya na ibinigay at pinagkaloob sa atin ng Panginoong Diyos Ama. Ito ay biyaya ng kaligayahan. Ang pag-aasawa ay isang pangako na kailangan natin panghawakan hindi lamang ngayon, hindi lamang bukas, ngunit magpakailanman. Sabi nga nila, Carl and Yvette, it takes time. For the longest period of time, you know one another. Sinasabi niyo na sa sarili mo, siya na.
Ngayon na kakasal ka na, maging maayos ang pagsasama nyo. Magsusuno lang kayo ni Carl. Huwag kayong mag-aaway ng hindi nagkakasundo sa madaling panahon. Mag-usap ng mabuti. Laging magpag-pray sa God.
Bet, dumating na ang masaya at pinakahintay mong araw. At alam ko naman ang iyong magiging asawa isang responsableng ama at saka kilala ko ang kanyang kapasidad, ang kanyang potensyal para tumayo bilang isang ama.
After 12 years together, I'm proud to be your husband. I promise to grow with you, to support your dreams like you always supported mine, to listen, to be there when you need me. I promise to stay safe while I'm at sea, so I can always come back to you, my home. I give you all that I am and all the days I have left. I love you.
Here's to more cups of coffee, to more spontaneous trips and adventures, to unending fights, the small arguments that sometimes feel so big, but sa huli, we always find understanding because deep down, we know love is there and is stronger than anything that tries to pull apart. Here's to choosing each other every day, learning from our differences, and building a life full of laughter, love, and memories that are perfectly imperfect, just like us. I love you, Carl. I love you, love.